Today, an unboxing and reveal of a brand new Gabor style. This one's called Out the Door in the color Shaded Cappuccino. There's a lot you're gonna wanna know about this new style and line by Gabor coming up. This wig style was sent to me by Wig Studio One so I could try it before you buy it. You can find it at Wig Studio One. Drop below the video, expand the description box. There will be a direct product link. If you click on that link, it'll take you out to the site where you can see all of the colors and the pricing. If you have any questions, please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. And don't forget to visit us on our other social media, a private Facebook group, a fully loaded Instagram page, and a wide variety on the Wig Studio One YouTube channel. All of those links are below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the little bell so you'll get a notification of all the new videos coming up. So let's chat real quick about this new collection by Gabor. This is the Gabor Luxury Designer Series. A collection of wig styles that have some nice cap features, are very comfortable, styles that are desirable, and they're made from the true to life fiber. We want to remember that because this is the first Gabor style that has the true to life fiber. Now, true to life fiber is also used by the same family of brands, which is Raquel Welch and Hairdo. They all use this kind of fiber. So I'm expecting it to feel, act, and look very familiar because we already love it on those other brands. So the other thing you want to take note of is the color options. The color options are always different on a heat-friendly line versus a regular synthetic line. Today we're going to show you this in Shaded Cappuccino, and this one is actually GF1222SS Shaded Cappuccino. In the Raquel Welch line, this would be RL1222SS. So the first couple of letters there on the tag or on the color code just indicate that it's a Gabor style. Okay, so let's go ahead and unbox this. Now, I am expecting that Out the Door is going to be a short little textured pixie cut. It's always a good idea to see these right out of the box so you know what you're getting yourself into, right? This is what it looks like and how it came. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and turn this inside out so I can show you the inside of the cap. Lots of wefting here. So let's take a look. So this particular piece, Out the Door, features a temple to temple lace front. It does not extend back into the ear tab. And it's a very shallow lace front, maybe a 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch back from the hairline. And then that's followed up behind that with open wefts. So you've got open wefts on the top, sides, and back. This should be very cool and comfortable to wear. A closed ear tab, a nice substantial ear tab. I bet there's some really nice coverage there. A big sturdy stay included in that. And then we have an extended felted nape with Velcro style adjusters, lots of wefts. There's not a whole lot of stretch here. I'm going to try it on for you and give you an assessment of the fit before making any adjustments. Gabor typically fits me like a Raquel Welch. It fits average large a little better than it does petite average. I'm a 21 1/4 inch circumference. I do struggle with a lot of Raquel Welch styles and Gabor styles to get a secure fit. So let's go ahead and I will try it on. Okay, so this is what it looks like right out of the box. The fit is more average than your typical Gabor. So if you're used to Gabor being very roomy and stretchy and you're a larger circumference, just take note of that. Now we can always see variance in sizing from piece to piece. I can only give you feedback on the piece that I currently have in my possession. And this one is very average. I feel like I do still want to make a slight adjustment, not a drastic adjustment, just a slight adjustment. And then while I have it off, we're going to do our normal maneuvers here. I'm going to shake it and rake it because I love to wake up the fiber. You can definitely tell this is a heat-friendly fiber just by touching it. It has a waxy, velvety finish, very much like what you're used to feeling on any Raquel Welch style. And if I call this Raquel Welch during the review, I do apologize. Hopefully I don't, because this is so unlike Gabor and more like Raquel Welch. Now, because of that lace front and open cap, we can part it anywhere we want. I'm expecting some really nice versatility on this. But I can just seeing this being just a wig style that, gosh, you wake up and you got to get to that meeting real quick. In less than 2 minutes, you apply this and you're out the door. So let's go ahead and reapply. Okay. So boy, that texture is going to be really fun, isn't it? There's a lot of ability to style this just with your fingers. The fiber is very impressionable, and what I mean by that is wherever you put it or however you style it with your fingers, it tends to want to stage just like that. This is one piece that I don't think you're going to need a lot of product. There is a 3.5-inch bang area here, and that just goes right over the eyebrow on most people. In fact, this acts more like 3 than 3.5. But you could wear it straight down. You could sweep it off to either side. And I'll do some other things with it as well. But now you notice I'm just in here, just sort of swirling around at the base. This just further wakes it up. It feels a little bit stiff. It feels like it needs to be woken up. I can't stand a wig that's pressed flat to my head. Now, a lot of you may not like a lift or any fluffiness or any higher profile. And I will do all of those maneuvers a little bit later on in the styling section so that you can get an idea of just all the possibilities on this one. So another 3.5 to 3.75 here on the crown. And then it's a slim tapered back down into a 1.75-inch nape. So let's check out that nape. I'm going to grab my mirror so that I can see behind me. Because a 1.75-inch nape is very short. And for a lot of you out there with a longer hairline in the back, it might not be quite doable for you. Now, I shave the back of my neck all the time, so it's not a problem for me. But it seems to have some really nice coverage. First of all, with an extended nape, it's going to be seated just below that occipital ridge bone in the back, and it's going to stay there a little more easily and a little more comfortably, and it's not going to move around. So that 1.75 is really ample. And all of the wig lines are obscured, so it has some really nice coverage. Also, at the ear tab, you're going to see some really nice coverage. First of all, I showed you the inside of the cap. That ear tab sticks out quite far. And there's just some really nice coverage right there at the ear tab. It feels really lightweight. It's just over 2 ounces. So gosh, again, just looking at this is what I call a plug and chug style. Plug it on and chug out the door real quick. So I really like the shape of this from the front. So you've got this nice slim profile right at the temple, and then you have some fringe. You've got a little bit of height and lift on top, but then it's supremely tapered in a very slim profile all through the back and the nape. This is very classic of a boy cut type pixie, and it's just very easy to wear. You can see, even if I try, the bangs just are not going to flop in the face. There is some permatease here. You're going to find permatease on the top, at the crown, none at the back and none at the nape, and none right here at the ear tab. So all of the permatease is there to support the identity of the style and cover up the wefting. So I just about forgot that there's a lace front here. Just because this bang is covers everything, it doesn't really need a lace front. But let's get up close on that. So you can see where they do run a line of highlight right up to that lace front. Some of you are fans, some are not. I'll go over this color here in just a moment. If you're familiar with the Shaded Cappuccino by Raquel Welch, this looks identical to it. So again, that temple to temple lace front, It doesn't extend, but I'm not really noticing any visible seams or anything. And this will just give you maximum flexibility to style this away from the face. You know, if I want to do a complete up and over, away from the face type, chic type look like this, I can absolutely get that without sacrificing coverage around the ear tab. And we'll do some more of this kind of thing in the styling. So let's talk about this color, Shaded Cappuccino. This is, I keep wanting to say RL, but it's GF 1222 SS. So you're gonna see a light brown, like a light golden brown with some gold, some light pale gold and platinum highlight. Absolutely, there's more platinum around the face, especially as it bands up around that lace front. So I'll show you an outdoor look at this color. Plus, we're going to get down to some styling where I'm going to show you the potential and flexibility and versatility of Out the Door by Gabor. So let's try with glasses. I think we already know that it's going to work and play well with glasses, a nice secure fit between the ear and the ear tab. So I'm just going to maneuver this around a little, and you guys let me know what you think about this brand new Gabor style and Gabor line called the Gabor's Luxury Designer Series. All right, everybody have a great day. We'll see you back here real soon.